What up, y'all? It's RexMakesBeats, back with another sneaker review. Today, I've got the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the triple white colorway, also known as cream. I was finally able to cop for retail. Shoutouts to Adidas for the restock. It's got white stitching down the middle of the tongue all the way to the toe. The stitching continues down the back of the heel. And since the sneaker is triple white, you could barely see the Supply 350 and the stripe on the side of the shoe. The creamy white midsole has ridges throughout, which wrap around to the bottom of the sole as well. The forefoot of the outsole has a waffle-like pattern where you can see the Boost material right behind it. Then you've got the word Boost stamped on the heel of the outsole. The sneaker comes with your basic white rope laces and your canvas pull tab at the heel. And of course you've got your prime knit upper, which gives you that sock-like fit. Lastly, you've got a white insole with Adidas and Yeezy spelled out in black.